So let's get started. I've got some really lovely new season zucchinis, some cherry tomatoes. With the zucchini, I just cut it in thick sort of pieces. Doesn't need to be perfectly sliced. It's going to cook in the parcel and it's got to be really nice and juicy. So I'll set that aside. Cherry tomatoes, just take them off. They're vine ripened, so they're going to be really nice and sweet. Heaps of umami flavour in there. And then just take them off the vines, like so. Don't go away! I got it. All right, some lemon as well. Lemon and fish go hand in hand, I don't need to say anything. Just some nice generous slices of the lemon. And then we're going to put it on here. Now, this is so simple, we're not going to do much washing today. I've got some Glad Bake paper here. Pull out generous amount, like so. So I've got some beautiful snapper fillets here, just out of the bay, really nice and fresh. Don't have to do too much to it. I've got a pinch of salt in there. Remember, salt is flavour. And then a little bit of pepper in here, a few of my cherry tomatoes, couple of slices of these zucchinis, and it's going to be so easy. If you blink, you're going to miss this. And a really generous helping of olive oil in there as well. Little piece of lemon on here, and we just really just roll this up like so, tuck it underneath, like there you go. Beautiful little parcel. It's going to all steam in there. The juices are going to stay in there. We're going to put it on a baking tray. So that will go in the oven now for about 10 minutes in there. While that's in the oven, we'll start searing up the halloumi. While the fish is cooking, let's get the halloumi ready. I've got some, we're just going to slice it, just sort of thickish sort of chunks, like so. And then what I've got in here is just some spicy Harissa spice. Now this spice is going to add to that fish, right? Because the fish is really light, delicate, we haven't put too many flavours in it. We're adding and introducing flavour and spices in there. And a little bit of like, you know, cheese in there as well. So I'm just going to really dump it like that. My pan's on there, really nice and hot there. I'm going to add my spice Harissa halloumi on there. So just really give it, press in the spices into it. And what we're doing is we're just cooking those spices a little bit, sealing that halloumi, just bringing all that flavour together, and that's going to tie in with the fish really well. So this Riverina halloumi is made like Cyprus style, really nice cheese in there. This halloumi's got a really high melting point, so it's really nice, stays in its form. So the halloumi's ready now. The fish in the oven is ready as well. We can put it together, and this is all done under 10 minutes. Okay, the fish has come out of the oven. You just take the parcel on here. And remember when I said like don't have to do a lot of washing? I'm going to serve it in the parcel. So everything's cooked, really beautiful, smells amazing. Cherry tomatoes are just soft, so the zucchini. Lemons infuse the flavour. Now the Harissa spice halloumi goes on. Just a little bit more pepper. Really nice, generous drizzle of olive oil on there. So I'm just going to add a little bit of chopped parsley to this. Just really roughly chopped, doesn't have to be like super fine or anything like that. Roughly chopped, beautiful little sprinkle on top. You know, people say you can't cook fish with cheese. But you know what? I'm Vietnamese. I can do whatever I want.